How do you create product vision? First and foremost thing, understand who is your primary customer. For example, if you are building a carpooling application, then the daily commuter becomes your primary end user, although there could be many secondary users. Second thing, understand what problem are you trying to solve for the end users. Let's use a technique called as 5 hows in order to uncover what problem you're trying to solve. Although we call it as 5 hows, we keep on asking as many hows as possible until we get the answer that lies in the life of the end users. The first one, how does building a mobile application for carpooling help the daily commuter? It helps in sharing car with other commuters. How does sharing car with other commuters help the daily commuter? It helps in reducing number of cars on the road. How does reduced number of cars on the road help our daily commuter? It helps in reducing the commute time. How does reduced commute time help our daily commuter? It helps in spending less time on the road and more time with family and at work, basically having a work-life balance. Now that we have hit the life of the end users, let's stop here. Let's take some data points from the answers that we got for the 5 hows. The last answer that we got is the outcome that we are trying to achieve using our product. The work-life balance due to reduced commute time is the outcome. The job that the end users are doing in the context of the product that we are building is traveling from point A to point B. And the pain that we are trying to solve is the higher commute time. Let's construct the vision using a tool called as Conceptual Story. We are building this product for the end user who is a daily commuter. And the core job is traveling from point A to point B. And the pain that they have in doing this job is higher commute time. Let's call the product that we are building as the Easy Pool with a tagline of Pool at Ease. Then the story is incomplete without the villains. The villains in this case are the alternatives that the end users are using, which might stop them from using your product. For example, comfort of their own car or traveling alone in the taxi could be the hurdles for users for using the product that we are building. What are the differentiators that will excite the users to move away from the alternatives? Let's say we will optimize the route such that commuters always take the shortest possible route, and pooler verification to ensure there is safety and better matchmaking. So that could be our differentiators. What are the actions that users should take in order to start using our product? Maybe register for pooling. And the final outcome, once the users start using our product, is reduced commute time, happy commuter, and better work-life balance. There is the vision. Let's create a story out of this vision. Once upon a time, there was a daily commuter whose job was to travel from point A to point B. The commuter was unhappy due to higher commute time. Then came the hero, Easy Pool, who wanted to reduce this time and make the life easy for the commuters. Then there were villains of traveling alone in their own car and taxis. Then the hero overcame these hurdles by providing route optimization and pooler safety. Then the commuter lived happily ever after with reduced commute time and work-life balance. You want to learn more envisioning techniques like this? Join us at one of our certified product owner courses or register for one of the online courses at placecom.com. See ya.